I'm going to have permanent makeup done. My eyebrows are like non-existent, especially over here on the ends. And that's from years of plucking, but also, you know, just genetic hair loss, I think. And then also the breast cancer treatment that I have had done. So I wanted to show you the before of my eyebrows. I was nervous because it cost $800 to have this done. I was very anxious, but let me tell you, I am so glad that I did. On February the 2nd, I visited Milla Rosen at the salon in Roswell, Georgia. It was a very clean, very beautiful environment. I felt warm and welcome the minute I walked in the door. And so I paid for my session. The first session is $400. And I waited. And they had applied numbing cream to both of my eyebrows. Once the numbing cream took effect, Milla brought me in and she sat me down. We talked about what shape and design eyebrows I was looking for. She used like a cosmetic pencil to draw an eyebrow on my face and then showed me what she had drawn with a mirror, and we tweaked the eyebrows until they were the shape that I had wanted and that she felt would look best for me as well. Once that was done, she prepared me. I laid down on a very clean, nice, comfortable table, face up. She sat behind my head and we started to apply the permanent makeup. The eyebrow color I chose was a brown, which my natural hair color is a medium warm brown. And so that is the color that I wanted. And that's the color that came out. So I'm very pleased. There wasn't a great deal of pain. There was a little bit of what felt like scratching with a needle at one point. This is not a quick process. This can take quite a bit of time, and it should. You want your eyebrows to be perfect, and that requires her to measure your face, the width of your eyes, you know, the length of the eyebrow. So she makes sure that the eyebrows are precise. I was very, very impressed. You know, Milla had grown up and was born in the Soviet Union, and she became an electrical engineer. So this is a very smart lady, very articulate, and I was impressed with her from the moment we met. Later on in life, she decided that she wanted to get into permanent makeup, and she loves cosmetics and beauty. Took her time, answered my questions. After my eyebrows were finished, of course, she showed me. I looked in the mirror and I was thrilled. She took pictures of the before and after. She shared those later on her Facebook page and Instagram. I'll show you mine right now. She put antibiotic cream on my eyebrows and then gave me a sheet of paper with instructions of what I was supposed to do over the next 4 weeks with my eyebrows until my second session. Just keep the area clean. Try not to let a lot of soaps or makeup get on the eyebrows. In other words, just leave the eyebrows alone. Don't itch them, don't play with them, don't put makeup on them, just leave them alone and let the scabbing and healing process take its course. It's important not to itch your eyebrows or anywhere you have permanent makeup, because if you do, you can flake off the pigment that's been put into the skin. So it was just a wonderful experience. I feel that it was money well spent. So here is a close-up of my eyebrows. Milla did inform me that most people need a touch-up about every 3 years. Now, some people can go longer, some people will be sooner. It just depends. For example, if you lay out in the sun might be, fade the color. If you use a lot of makeups or harsh chemicals on your face, there's just so many factors. I still feel that this is a great investment, and if I have to touch up the eyebrows in 3 years, I'm more than happy to spend that money and have it done. I will make another video when I have my second session with Milla, which is coming up the first week in March. And that way you can see how different, I don't know if it will look different or not, but how my eyebrows will look at that time. Well, if you have any questions about micropigmentation or permanent eyebrows, please leave them in the comments section below. I'm happy to answer. Take care. Bye-bye.